So this is the 90-gallon that we set up a little while ago. This is just an update on how everyone's doing. So you can see the angels, the blood parrot, and then there's the little ram there. If you look at it, Father, with the camera. There we go, you can see the little ram. Then there's the fire mouth and all the corys. So I'm going to drop in some bottle feeder pellets for all the corys. And they're all doing a lot better now that they aren't being harassed by the breeding parrots. And you can see everyone coming over to get some.